Here we go. How are you feeling, hun?
Pretty blurry-eyed, pretty tired, but
Okay.
at least it's not raining right now.
Yep.
Woke up to the sound of rain, which was not the most pleasant thing. But it's not raining now, so that's good.
Yeah.
Steady incline with the bag is probably good practice.
Yeah, my knees are gonna struggle, but it is what it is. We booked our bus tickets a couple of days in advance. It is a 2-hour ride to Laguna Amarga, the checkpoint. Everyone has to get off and register at the checkpoint. There is an entrance fee of 21,000 pesos, and it is quicker if you pay it online. Make sure you have everything printed out. We then switched to a shuttle bus, which took us to the Welcome Center. If you're after the ferry to Paine Grande, then you have to stay on the original bus. We had to register again at the Welcome Center, and now we're off to our first destination, Camp Ceron.
Well, we're officially starting the walk. See my line, just extended.
I'm ready to go home.
How many kegs are on your back? I reckon we're somewhere between 12 and 14. I'm going to give it a crack without the sticks for a bit. Walk straight on them, which is good. A bit of an incline at the moment. Got a beautiful drop. And we've got about 4.5 hours to go before we set up camp. Cattle hunt. Layers coming off already, about 10 minutes into the trip. Doing it gracefully as well. Kind of in the squat stance. All over the face. Just killing it.
Juicy one.
Close up. Right down a layer now. Patagonia strikes early in the trip. It's hot now. Let's see how long it is until we have to put that shit back on. Up to you, darling. About an hour and a half in.
No idea.
Yeah, everyone's got sore feet. They're not desperate.
They're fine.
What's going on? It's your phone.
What? The water here is so amazingly clean and fresh that you can drink it straight from the source. Just make sure you collect it from above ground level, not below. This is the mess that you go through when you don't know how to pack properly. Note to self, food on top.
I don't think you've got a choice. No, that's how you gotta go. See? Yeah, holds me. You're good.
We have 1 kilometer left. Check-in is behind this place. Backpacks and shoes are not allowed inside.
In a tent.
I can sleep.
Just kind of lost it.
Fine. I'm just trying to nurse my kids. We have to walk again.
You have to walk down for 9 days. 8 more days.
Let me just take it one day at a time.
That's a sauna in here.
Yeah, it is.
Loving it.
Try to grab a shower as soon as you arrive because the hot water is limited. The only free power plug is the one behind the shower. We brought a multi-plug charger with us, which made us instant celebrities. Lighting fire is only allowed in designated areas like this tent. Am I crazy?
Look at our little sleeping bag.
What?
Huge issue. It's crazy. Oh, it's like just a head. A big slug.
Ew.